Adding someone to your Walmart Plus. In today's video, you are going to learn how to add someone to Walmart Plus account. So let's get started. The process is very simple. You just have to be your Walmart mobile application and then you will see the home page. From the home page, you have to follow the next steps. Suppose if you are two guys or two friends and you want to share one Walmart, you have to be on your Walmart Plus homepage. Now, in your Walmart Plus homepage, you have to get the same account at the same time. In order to do that, you simply have the login credentials of this account. Afterwards, you just log out of your device, then you have to sign in the same account on the same devices at the same time. Now what you will do, it will obviously tell you to FFA or it will give you some verification code. You have to put the same code on both of the devices at same times and there you go. Both of you now can use Walmart Plus account at same time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.